All right, guys, Rozzy Grow in the building. Now, here are my top 3 picks for 2023 as far as crypto miners. Number 1, drum roll please. You guys should already know the answer to this. Helium mining. Right here. If you do these right, you can make these very profitable. Trust me, I know. Rozzy Grow. Number 2, we got the Gold Shell Cadena crypto miner. This is the KD Pro box. KD Pro box from Gold Shell. Profitable this year. So we getting ready to power up that bad Larry with a Vega 850 GT, 80 plus gold power supply. Or if that don't work, we're gonna try to build a gaming PC or something around them lines. And last but not least, yo, it almost looks like me, but without the dreads. The green coin. This is the iPolo. The Apollo Nano FPU. Inside, whatever. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is it. The Apollo miner. We got this underneath the bed. And it's working great. It's fabulous. It just sounds like a little airplane, you know? You hear it? Guys, those are my 3 picks. Check it out. And do your own research and, give it a shot.